What is up, my shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're actually already in the middle of a group ride, hanging out with Bomber Marv all the way in the front. He's riding the Bomber Marv Revolt Cruiser Special, and we got White Mike on a souped up Aero Rider X class, and we got a new member of the crew with us, Sur Ron. His name is actually Ed too. How have you been loving this beastly bike?
Well, I'm almost up to 700 miles on it, and it kicks ass.
That's awesome to hear, brother. How soon are you going to be doing the BACs and the new chai batteries?
You buying a whole new Sur Ron?
The whole new setup, yeah. Soon. We also got Alec with us, back on the EUC, but we're going to definitely watch out after him after last time getting hit by that mean lady on that car. We're keeping you safe, Alec. And Bomber Marv on the cruiser, the Bomber Cruiser. What are you calling this? The Cruiser Bomber?
We're going with it.
Hell yeah, let's go. Yeah. Alec's sitting on his Una. I see his butt crack though. Get that out of here. Crack kills, Alec. Of course, guys, today we are rocking the Sur Ron. If you guys do want to support the channel, check out all those links down below, but definitely check out that link down below for the Chai Gladiator battery. Use code Shreddie, get 5% off your order. Also, if you're interested in the BAC 4000 from Greenline Engineering, check out that link down below. Use code Shreddie, get free shipping on your order. If none of these products are for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. Always gotta ride through the grass, guys. If you're on a Sur Ron and you're not riding through grass, you're missing out. I gotta remember, I got the Shenko 244s, not the Kenda Millvilles back here, and this stuff is slippery. I don't see how Marv does this. Bomber Marv's got like crazy riding skills. You're good. Going super, super slow. Thank you. Way too many people. Some people look sad that we were on the trail. This is an e-bike train track. And if you look to the right, that's a beautiful Nat Geo. There's a giraffe eating a lion. That's pretty crazy. If you guys are interested in this app that I have on my phone, this is a GLE dashboard that comes with the BAC 4000. What's cool about it, you can do all your tuning in-app, and it also has an in-app dyno. And what I love about it is the fact that I have Ludacris and street mode at the touch of my fingertips, and I can actually do it while I'm moving. So I can go right into Ludacris just like that, back into street mode just like that. And this app actually has drive, neutral, reverse, and park, which is pretty awesome. On your left, there's like 4 more behind me. I feel like everybody's looking at Alec like, what the hell is that?
They do.
They're like,
gets a lot of attention on that.
which is drawing the attention off of us. Thanks, Alec. You rock. When in doubt, pedal it out. When you see me passing people, does it look real?
The untrained eye, yeah.
Hell yeah, look at that. It's for real. Uh-oh, this is the Biden spot. You guys gotta be careful here. It's haunted. If you go across this, you will fall. It's crazy. You might fall and you might forget everything and you might get very sleepy.
Listen, I'm not joking. I'm serious.
I'm serious.
We're doing the sleepy run. It's not a joke.
It's not a joke, it's for real. I feel like a bike gang. You can go over speed bumps?
Yeah, it's got suspension.
Hell yeah, it's got suspension. Let's go, Alec. Let's go. He got a little jump and everything. Yeah. For all you sleepy lovers, if you look over here to the right, the blue house is your sleepy's house. Looks like they're doing some yard work out front. They got the Secret Service out in the front of their house, just waving them on. Whee! You thought you were gonna bottom out? I saw your feet move. I was like, ah, electric. Gotta show them what's up. Damn, that EUC is fast, guys. That thing could go about 45 or 50 if I'm correct. Oh, the famous Grinch spot, as everybody knows. Every time I pass that, it's like PTSD instantly. I'm like looking behind me like, what the fuck? Are we allowed to go? Got him. This is great. This is a good test, guys. Do the pedals work? Okay. Do the pedals work? Yeah. Yes. These pedals are great. Hey, that was a good testament to the pedals. Yeah.
How much? They like $4 grand and up.
Kai, what's up, buddy? You're such a good boy. I saw that. We'll take candy cigs and fruity roll-ups. Yeah. Dylan, what's up, Dylan? How you been, brother? Good to see you, homie. That battery looks sus, man. Are you trying to blow this joint?
Maybe.
Who's the most hyped dog? Hey. We're at 5,000 watts and we're hitting almost 50 now. 50 miles an hour right there. Oh, man. Wow, that was awesome. That was so cool. Definitely the most relaxing times is when you're on your e-bike, riding with good friends. Hell yeah, one of my favorite spots. I've been on center console boats on shit like this, and we're like surfing. It's so much fun. Let's go! Yeah! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, whipping around!
Oh no, the chain will never be the same.
No. So Bomber Marv always likes riding through tick infested like areas, and I'm always against that shit. I hate ticks, bro. I went through a tick infested area with him one time, and I came home with like 10 of those little mini ass deer ticks. Ah, going with the wind. This is where it's at. Now my battery loves me even more. Alec is cruising, dude. He said earlier we're gonna have to wait up for him. Hell no, he's waiting up for us. This is the old inlet bridge, guys. If you guys are new to the channel and you're enjoying the content up until now, definitely don't forget to drop a like. Here's a question for the EUC guys. What happens when you guys have a blowout on these things? Do you guys have like fix-a-flat in there, like just in case? Keep on rocking in the freeway. This is a cool view, cool spot. Yo, we live here. Matt the mechanic, we live here, bro. Oh, he's ripping, look at that. Yeah. Nerds, nerds.
RPM.
Food acquired. The blue cheeseburger?
Maybe, I don't know.
BC, baby.
Burger, bacon.
Ooh, oh.
Sit.
Who wants this for a throw it?
Hey,
pickles. Who wants to deep throat my pickle? This looks amazing though. Look at this burger. That looks really good.
I really thought I would have some chips.
Right here.
Yep. Y'all should have got a burger, bro.
Guy burger.
Okay. The heck is that? Dude. What you munching on? Oh yeah, that looks good. That was good. What'd you get, Ed?
Sunset Sammy, son.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Bring that over here. Let's check that out. Oh, yeah. Food destroyed.
Identifies as a bicycle.
Yeah, we identify as mountain bikes.
Identifies as an airplane.
Yeah. That thing looks so epic, that EUC. Look at the rays, the sun rays. That looks cool. Wow, look at that. Yeah, that is so dope. Damn, this is still flooded from that storm, huh?
Where they go on the choice, man.
Oh, man.
They all vary.
Yeah.
Like, I know I can do like 50 miles on this at 40 miles an hour and still have a little bit more than half a battery.
Yeah, that's too fast for that thing.
Oh, this one runs 75. That will, yeah, the Sur Ron these two will run like probably 70.
Yeah.
And that thing's probably like 50.
Damn,
Close
I ain't
to
know
it.
them damn things run that daggone.
Yeah.
All right, good luck. Have fun the rest of your day.
Easy, man.
I'm so glad I got this heated jacket. I feel like I'm like inside the warmth. All right, guys, we are on our way back home right now. So going over the old inlet bridge here. Can't say this enough. I love e-biking, especially on the Sur Ron. Like, this is e-biking right here, guys. About 14 miles from here to get home. So So we've traveled about 25 miles so far today. I'm down to about 70% left on the Chai Gladiator battery. Wow, it is hard to ride when it's windy like this. Woo, it's hard to keep straight. What happened?
It's taking up to 18,000.
Yeah, how hot is your motor and controller? Mine's
68 degrees.
Yeah. My controller's at 81 and motor's at 59.
Yeah, but you're not going as fast.
Are you going full throttle at 18K right now?
He's going to see it when it gets up to.
As long as I don't go to the RPM, I'm good.
I definitely can't keep up with them. On the left. Holy crap. Yo, Bomber Marv is gonna beat him, I think. Oh, I hit the freaking brake throttle by accident. Oh my God. He's pulling for about 2 miles here. If he makes it all the way. We're going 60 right now. 60 right there. I can't imagine how fast he's going at 18. When I released the throttle at full speed, I felt like a little bit of regen hit. We're almost at 100 degrees on the controller. It's at 97 degrees. Motor's still at 68 degrees. Wow. Yeah, how fast was that?
I only went to like 61.
What'd your display say? Dude, I was hitting 60. Okay, so he ran that at 18 kilowatts for about 2 miles and it got to 180 degrees.
What? A little less than that.
And it still got
almost 180 degrees.
Motor?
Yeah, Bomber Marv definitely smoked.
It's about 275 motor phase and about 190 DC.
190 DC.
So
that's not bad.
That's holding consistent power.
Yeah.
You need some white mic power in there.
White mic power.
Word, white mic. I stole that. That's my handshake. Ed, it was nice meeting you, brother. We'll see you on the next ride, and hopefully that Sur Ron will be upgraded with the Chai Gladiator battery and possibly a BAC 8000.
You just shake it off.
This is going to be my savior all winter long. These things. So these things are awesome. You shake them up, they get hot. So what we're going to do, keep them in our front pockets and back pockets, and possibly down my pants. I'm not sure because that gets cold. It gets really cold. We'll try it this way. Yeah, I'll probably swing by tomorrow and grab my bike.
Probably, you will.
Nah, you can have it. That thing's trash. Later, Matt.
Okay. Then we'll jump on the trail.
I just don't want to get hit by a car.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's what I was saying.
Get hit by
Take the
car.
trail. You know how you felt
Definitely
about,
not. That wheel looks cool. I normally have 2 lights, one on each side looking on either side of the trail, and this Fisher Fab House in the middle, man, this is such a good setup for nighttime trail riding. Damn. Alex making me want to get my EUC like right now. That looks like so much fun riding out here. Right here's where you rip on the EUC. Yeah, let's get it. Oh, smells. Smells like poop. Who farted? That thing looks like such a freaking blast, man. Comment down below, do you guys want to learn how to EUC? Or do you guys have one? And which one do you guys have? I am from the future. I like the nighttime crazy cruiser.
And like you can do like different colors and everything. Or you can do like where it's just solid on.
Yeah.
Whatever. So.
That's cool. That's Bomber Marv's crazy cruiser. Dude, you beat the Sur Ron at 18 kilowatts.
Yeah, 18,000 kilowatts.
And what's that turned up to?
This is only 12.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, because of the hub motor.
Yeah, it's only 12,000.
That direct drive just got that speed.
Probably maybe 10.
Yeah. But it's crazy. At this at 5 kilowatts, I was still hitting like 50.
Yeah. The difference is it's just going to get you there faster.
It just keep, yeah, okay.
Because you didn't change like your phase amps and all that stuff. So.
Right. Doesn't this look cool back here? Oh, we can all camp out, bruh. We got a night right through the road. That was a jump. Oh, deer. Look at all the deer. Wow. What's up, deer? What's up, dear? That's awesome. Definitely got, oh wow, look at all those deer. Oh my God. Look at that one being the watch out. Wow, look at this at nighttime. That looks amazing. Deer! Deer! Well, if you guys are enjoying this fun group ride up until now, please don't forget to drop a like. Blinding everybody! You know we are coming to the end of our video when you see this awesome bridge. That was a fun ride. Definitely, guys, drop a like. As always, want to support the channel, always check out those links down below. We're gonna see how many miles we got on this ride. I feel like we did like 45 miles today. Our favorite little pump jump. Yeah. All right, guys, that's the end of that fun journey. We had a blast. Barber Marv always sticks around for the ride. Alec, he definitely always sticks around for the ride. Even after the last crash, he still stuck around for the ride, which is awesome. So how many miles do you think we did today? My guess was like, oh, exactly 50? That's awesome. Not bad at all for all these two bikes and the EUC. Alec, I'm so surprised that that thing hung with us through the trails, through the grass. Like he stuck with us through all of it. So thick and thin, bro. We love you for that. Oh, wow. So after 50 miles, we're down to 31% left on that battery. And we were going between 5 kilowatts and 10 kilowatts. Going pretty hard, doing some fun pulls. As always, guys, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out that link down below for the Chai Gladiator battery. Use code Shreddie, get 5% off your order. And if you're interested in a BAC 4000 from Greenline Engineering, one of the best companies out there for the BAC 4000, make sure you use code Shreddie and get free shipping on your order. And if none of these products are for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. As always, if you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next ride.